Welcome to our foundation channel. From class 6, the chapter number 10 is ratio and proportions. Right? To improve the basic skills, especially in this ratio and proportions, I'll explain few fundamentals. So basic skills I'll explain in this one by one. Some worksheets, some pay questions I'm showing on the screen here, and remaining you can find the link in description below. From that you can get the PDF file for practicing purpose. Right. Let us see one by one here. First of all, the meaning of the ratio. This is comparing two quantities, two same quantities. If you comparing, there's a ratio. Like 6 kg is one quantity, 3 kilograms, 3 kg is one quantity. So comparing these both. So 6 divided by 3. If you use 3 table, no? 3 times 1, 3 times 2, same table, 2 by 1. So 2:1 is the ratio between 6 kg and 3 kg. So every 2 kg of one quantity, let us say A and B, every 2 kg of A quantity is exactly B is having 1 kilogram. So if it is 6, 3. Ratio is 2:1. Comparing the quantities of the same kind is ratio. And proportion is comparing the ratios. Comparing ratios is proportion. Comparing the quantities is ratio, but comparing the ratios is proportion. Like 6 by 4, 3 by 2. Is it both are same or not? To verify, make into simplest form. This you can use simplification, 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 or same. So if you simplify, if you get the same value both the sides, those ratios are in proportion, right? Right. Now we can see the concept here. Checking the proportion, skill 1. So I'm giving few sums. Rest of the problems you practice from the PDF of the remaining pages. State if each pair of ratio forms a proportion or not. So 6 divided by 4, 3 by 2. 6 and 4 use the 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Same table you can cancel. So 2 3s are 6. 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 both are same. No, this yes. They are in proportion. Second one. 12 divided by 8 and 4 divided by 2. So without except 1, there should not be any common factor, numerator and denominator. We have to simplify in that way. Okay, so here is 12 by 8. 12 and 8 having both are even numbers, directly start the 2 table. Cancelling. 2 times 4, 2 times 6. Still we have got 6 and 4. Again 2 table again. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. This side we got 3 divided by 2. And right side one more ratio, 4 divided by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. We got 2 by 1. So 3 by 2, 2 by 1, they are not equal. So they are not in proportion. They are not in proportion, right? It's not. Like this, you have to make it simplified. Then check whether the getting same answer or not both the sides. If yes, they are in proportion or else no. Simple, right? You can practice. Now let us see third one. 3 by 2. There is no any common table except 1. So you can't simplify this. Now 12 divided by 8. We already did. How much you got? 3 by 2. Directly can use 4 table. 4 times 2, 4 times 3 if you know. So yes, these are in proportion. Like this, these are all the problems you can complete in this set, and I'm giving 2-3 pages in the PDF file with different numbers, even 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers also. For practicing purpose you can use it. So once perfect this skill, checking the proportion or not. Next one, okay, first and second page I'm giving that basic skill, and from this third page in this PDF, solving proportions, solve each proportion. They already said 4 by 5 is equals to 5 divided by k. So this ratio and this ratio are in proportion. That means in this case the simple method is you can go for the cross multiplication. That is 4 divided by 5 is equals to 5 divided by k. Once observe the previous one, for example, which is s 6 by 4. No, let us take this. Already we got 6 by 4 and 3 by 2 are in proportion because we got answer s. Why we got s means after simplification we got same, but still if you want to simplify in shortcut method, just you can multiply cross multiplication you can do. First fraction numerator into second fraction denominator, 6 into 2, and here is 4 into 3. Are you getting same answer? Yes, 12. Yes, this is also one of the method that you can do. Instead of simplification, this is the one of the method. You can simplify and check both sides getting same or not. If unable to simplify, you want to do in simple way, just go for the first fraction numerator into second fraction denominator multiply. First fraction denominator into second fraction numerator can multiply. If you get same answer, yes, they are in proportion. We got same, right? That means whenever two ratios are in proportion, already cross multiplications exist. So here also same concept. Here 4 by 5 is equals to 5 divided by k. That means 4 into k is exactly equals to 5 into 5. 4 times k is must be equals to 5 into 5 because they are already equal. They mentioned they are in proportion. So k is equals to 5 times 5. 4 is multiplying with k. Now take right side divide. 25 by 4 is the value of the k. Okay, this is the concept to find out the values. Second one, 10 by 2 is equals to x by 5. Just you can do cross. 2x is equals to this both 5 times 10. So 50, simple. Then x is equals to 50 divided by 2. That is 25. 2 ones are 2 25s, right? So x value is 25. All the problems you can do the same concept and same method. Let us see one more. This is what you write. 3n is equals to 8. Once perfect, by seeing you can write. Then n is equals to 8 by 3. If you want to say directly x value, x is equal to what in terms of straight away? Just multiply this both. 4 into 7. Directly divide with opposite 10. So 28 by 10. So 2.8. You can write in decimals or mixed fraction also. You can stop the answer. So like this you can do all the problems in this proportion, not only this page. Next 2 more pages I am giving for practice purpose. Right. Once perfect this skill, then we have third skill I will show in the next pages. Visual proportion. So they'll give diagrams. So especially in the geometry based concepts, you can understand this concept to solve the problems in that way. Here is two similar. These two diagrams are similar. Shape of the diagram is same, not size of the diagram. Remember, similar means shape of the diagram should be same. Exactly the shape. If you enlarge or if you decrease, the size will be coming like this. Now 70. This is one side. Same side in this is x. When two figures are similar, corresponding sides are in same ratio. Corresponding sides. That means this 70 and this x. This ratio 70 divided by x ratio exactly equals to one more is what here. This and this one. This both are 110. This both must be equal. So remember. So this is a method. 70 divided by x is equals to 100 divided by 10. Corresponding sides are in same ratio. First diagram 70 divided by second diagram same side is exactly equal to same first diagram one more side divided by this one. Now you already know the method. Just you can go for the cross multiplication. That is this into this both. So x into 100 is exactly equal to 70 times 10. Then x is what? 70 into 10 by 100. 70 into 10 is 700 divided by 100. That is 7. So x is equal to 7. Right? Same method. Just you can make into corresponding sides are in same ratio. Listen the second problem. Corresponding sides are what here? This is 1. Exactly corresponding side is x here. So 1 by x is equals to, again corresponding sides 6. Here is 60. So 6 by 60. Yes, once you can frame into the proportion, then you can solve it. Cross multiplication. 6x is equal to 60. Just I multiplied. Same like previous worksheet. No? That's why first you practice that skill 2, then come to this diagram problems and solve it. X is equal to 60 by 6. X is equals to 10. Right. Same method. You can continue the rest of all the problems. Not only this, more 2 pages also I am giving with different diagrams in the PDF. Everything I am not showing. So you can practice each and everything in ratio and proportion to improve at least basic skills, especially in these concepts.